Hi friends, this is Joanne. Gusto mo ba ma-manifest ang dream life mo kaya ka nag-a-affirm araw-araw? I am loved, I am wealthy, I am beautiful, I am confident. Pero deep inside, may doubt. Yung tipong habang sinasabi mo, may bumubulong sa sarili mo na, di nga. And that's okay. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka magaling mag-manifest. It just means that there's a better way para makisama yung utak mo sa goals mo. Dati ganyan din ako. Affirm ako ng affirm every day. I am happy, I am loved, I am confident, I am beautiful, I am wealthy. Pero lagi may kumukata sa isip ko. Until na-discover ko yung lofty questions. I attended a masterclass ni Christopher Sheldon sa Mind Valley. And dun nga, na-share niya na one of the tools na ginagamit niya to manifest is yung lofty questions. She is not using yung positive affirmations. Kasi nga, napansin din niya na every time na ginagawa niya yun, meron talagang kumontra sa isip niya. So, instead of saying affirmations, which are statements, I am beautiful, I am loved, gawin mo siyang tanong na parang curious ka. Why am I so confident? Why am I always surrounded by love? Ano pa ba? Why am I supported by the universe? Try nyo gawin ngayon. Uh, Sabihin nyo after me, why am I so confident? Why am I always surrounded? Why am I always surrounded by love? Why am I always supported by the universe? May napansin ba kayong pumupunta? Wala, di ba? It's because we get our brain to work for us, not against us kapag nag-lofty questions tayo. Tinutulungan niya tayo na maghanap ng sagot doon sa tanong natin. Pag nagtatanong tayo, it's as if sinasabihan natin yung utak natin na tulungan mo akong sagutin tong tanong ko. Whereas sa affirmations, para siyang yung friend mo na super honest. Tapos sabihin mo, I am loved, I am confident, I am beautiful. Tapos biglang sasabihin ng friend mo sa'yo, best, tama na yan, tara. Gutom lang yan, kaya na tayo. Di ba? Parang gano'n. So, bakit effective? Ang lofty questions, kasi hindi ka kinakontra ng utak mo. The brain loves questions. So, instead of rejecting yung statement, tinutulungan ka niya maghanap ng sagot. So, kahit na hindi mo paramdam yung wealth, yung confidence, yung love, your brain starts to find proof na wealthy ka, na confident ka, na love ka. So, ayun, sana nag-gets nyo. For those na gusto pa ng samples, I'll be giving away free PDF containing containing lofty questions. So, hindi porket hindi mo na ma-manifest yung life na gusto mo, hindi ka na marunong or may mali lang sa'yo. Sometimes, may kailangan lang i-tweak doon sa ginagawa mo. And you'll be able to manifest faster. So that's it, guys. I'd love to hear from you. Share nyo lang yung observations nyo sa comments. And if you think this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Bye!